This is Saturday, March 13th, 2010. And here's Brooke. This is her toy we just got out for her, just a little over 6 months. And she loves her new toy. She's playing in it. It's all kinds of neat things. Right next to her is the new baby jogger that I just got that I haven't got to try out yet because it was raining today. Hi, darling. Say hi to the camera. You gonna say dad, dad, dad? Good girl. Good girl, Brooke. Oh, what a good girl. Yeah, you know. Dad, 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 dad. Her little feet touch the ground. She can stand or sit if she wants to. Let's get Brooke and Mommy together, huh? Dada. Dada's not down here. Ready? Whoop, my finger's in the way. Say hi. Say hi to the camera. Good girl, yeah. Good girl, yeah. Good girl. Getting really big, growing up too quick, huh? That's why we gotta get video of you. I love you. I love you.